Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 TRANSCRAFT 36'6" by 102 air ride with a universal mounting kit, aluminum combo, beautiful condition. Beams have been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate has been checked and verified. Everything in working order. All of our units come with a brand new buyer's toolbox, refurbed steel outer rim, a brand new rubber all the way around. This is an air ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums. This is equipped with a universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at all of our used Princetons, Moffetts, Navigators, and other brands that we carry. They are full refurbed units. We also carry a Load Mac 2024 available in an 855 4-way extended reach. We also have 225s, which is a smaller version. Back to our trailer here. 2017 TRANSCRAFT Aluminum Combo. Beautiful unit, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, brand new tires, brakes, and drums. As we get to the front here, I want to thank you for your time. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.